Coming up, I will discuss why most business-to-business or B2B buyers believe thought leadership content misses the mark. B2B marketers are creating more thought leadership content, but it doesn't provide enough value and insights. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. B2B decision makers believe most companies' thought leadership content is ineffective. They think it's too sales focused and it doesn't provide original ideas. If you're looking to improve your content marketing, establish your company as a thought leader, and improve your sales pipeline, let's talk about where companies are missing the mark with thought leadership content and how you can improve your efforts. What is thought leadership content? Thought leadership content is an unearthing of your company's earned secrets. It's about your company's unique perspectives, experience, and resources that you have to inform your current and future customers. The purpose of thought leadership content is to build credibility, trust, and loyalty with your target audience and show them your brand's philosophy. Now that you understand what thought leadership is all about, let's dive into the Thought Leadership Report from LinkedIn, one of the most professional social networks, and Edelman, an award-winning global public relations consulting firm, to gain some more insights into how B2B companies are using thought leadership. At a high level, here are some glaring insights. Only 15% of respondents rate the overall quality of the thought leadership content they consume as very good or excellent. 71% say less than half of that content provides valuable insights. 55% of buyers will move on if thought leadership content doesn't grab their interest in the first minute. The good news is there's an appetite for thought leadership content, but there's a flood of it. Much of the content that is produced is not great. Why isn't thought leadership hitting the mark? Let's dive into the 4 reasons why. Number 1, a lack of quality. Research says that when decision makers encounter thought leadership content, it doesn't win them over and is basically not really thought leadership. Companies think they are producing thought leadership content, but they are not really. Research points out that 71% of respondents say less than half of the thought leadership they consume gives them valuable insights. Number 2, too much selling. B2B decision makers say the biggest issue with thought leadership is that the content is focused too much on selling and don't convey new ideas. Companies are not giving enough thought to each piece of thought leadership content they create. They do not understand their target audience. They do not provide enough value with their thought leadership content. They don't provide enough unique perspectives. B2B buyers can go to competitors and get better original content that is helpful and not salesy. Number 3, not controversial and no point of view. Companies are not creating thought leadership content with enough unique thoughts, and they don't provide new ways of looking at common problems and challenges. Research from LinkedIn and Edelman found that 64% of respondents say they prefer thought leadership content with a human, less formal tone, and 67% of respondents prefer thought leadership content that prominently features the point of view of an identifiable offer. Number 4, needs to analyze current trends. LinkedIn and Edelman's research found that most B2B decision makers prefer thought leadership content that is provocative and challenges their beliefs by analyzing current trends and utilizing third-party data. Companies that are aspiring thought leaders in the space do not differentiate themselves or the ideas they present to their target audience. Instead, they copy elements from other thought leadership content and use common thinking in the space. Thought leadership content is appealing, but it needs to be done correctly to be successful. Anyone can write and distribute content, but few companies can communicate it effectively, tell compelling stories, and provide a valuable, unique perspective on their industry and business trends. Companies must take a broader view of their world, consider what each trend means, and have the courage to communicate something bold that truly defines a thought leader in their space. LinkedIn and Edelman research found that 57% of buyers believe a new or little-known brand can build awareness through thought leadership. 53% of buyers say that companies must produce thought leadership content if they want to be considered, and 60% of buyers say thought leadership builds credibility when a company enters a new category where the brand is not known. The bottom line is 47% of buyers say thought leadership helped them discover and purchase from a company that was among the leaders in a specific category. And 63% of buyers say thought leadership is important in providing proof that an organization generally understands or can solve specific business challenges. Thought leadership content can help a B2B company win over decision makers and get them to buy. The benefits are clear. So are the challenges. B2B marketers must effectively communicate their perspective by taking more time and effort in producing quality, non-salesy, conversational content that has a point of view and analyzes current trends. It takes time, effort, and continuous dedicated investment in thought leadership content to make it pay off for your B2B company. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit hit the subscribe button below. LinkedIn and Edelman Research provides interesting and thought-provoking insights into thought leadership content. Most B2B buyers and decision makers think thought leadership content is missing the mark. More B2B marketers are producing thought leadership content, yet they are doing it poorly. They are not providing enough valuable insights and are not standing out from their competitors. Thank you for watching. Until next time.